The night, a shroud that veils the world in sleep. The stars.
Morning breaks soft, a veil of light so thin, the shadows dance and flowers bloom within. Your hand does raise the veil between real and dream, and oh, the world unfolds a painted stream. The mountains bow, the rivers rise to greet, their harmony made whole at your fair feet. What trickery is this, that with but one touch you make the gods of mortal clay?
The moon, her silver tears, cold upon the veil.
The sun sets low, the skies with fire alight. Your form retreats into the folds of night. Yet, through they vanish, your presence lingers still, a phantom on the wind, a voice heart may fill. You're a gnome, eternal as the stars above. You are the echo of creation's love. Flee not, O shade, for even as your art is gone, your absence burns brighter than the sun.
A silent sentinel finds light through mortal gate.
Epilogue. The wind, though voiceless, does speak through every tree, its dance a hymn to life's eternal decree. The world grows hushed, as hearts with nature blend. You're a gnome, where heaven and earth do end. Go now, and be still. The wind shall carry your longing. The moon shall light your path, till your art is whole again.
The wind, unseen, yet born of movements great. The moon, a silent sentinel, finds light through mortal gate. You're a nun, great mother of earth and sky, in reed with hands unseen, gives form where shadows lie. The night, a shroud that veils the world in sleep. The stars, like ancient centuries, their vigil keep. The moon, her silver tears, cold upon the veil.
The world grows hushed, as hearts with nature blend. You're a gnome, where heaven and earth do end. Go now and be still. The wind shall carry your longing. The moon shall light your path till your art is whole again.